In a world not so different from ours, where the ordinary intertwines with the extraordinary, a tale as old as time unfolds. This story, my dear friends, is of a little girl named Lucy and her enchanting adventure in a forest where magic breathes life into every corner. One fine morning, as the sun painted the sky with hues of pink and orange, Lucy, with her fiery spirit and twinkling eyes, stepped into this mystical forest. The trees whispered secrets into her ears and the wind played with her hair, guiding her deeper into the heart of the forest. As she ventured further, Lucy stumbled upon a sight that took her breath away. A pride of majestic lions, their manes glistening.
AI tools to create your 3D video, your normal video without editing or even adding a voiceover. So let me not waste your time. Let's join into it, like how I created this video. So sit back, relax, and watch the show. So first thing you're going to do is to go online and type InVideo AI. And if you are not signed in, you can sign in and it will take you here. So what literally going to do here is for you to write your prompt. Once you write your prompt here, it actually going to generate your video using voiceover with stock videos. You can even use it for shorts, YouTube shorts, and what have you. So let's give it a try. So we say a boy surrounded by snakes. A boy surrounded by snake in a village. So once you click generate, you're going to sit and watch it do all of your analysis and give you exactly what you want. But these images or footage are stock footages that you ought to pay for. So we are just giving this a test. Now this is a disclaimer. We are not promoting InVideo video, but we're just giving this AI tools a trial to see what result you're going to give a content creator. So you look here. Since you want it for, let's say, documentary watcher, and let's continue seeing. Give it some time. Once you give it, this is going to take a while, so let's watch and see. Now it's generating a script and also padding up the video, the footage. Just give it time and you see how we created the previous video. Maybe 2 to 3 minutes, it's going to give us some result. CapCutvideo is seeing and doing some analysis now, synthesizing the voice, Asian snakes chamber. Wow, this AI is just, and it's a very much an amazing tool that you would like to use. I think this is the second scene. Okay. Scene 3. This is scene 3. 4 is now running out. Going to take us some time to do, but it's actually an amazing tool. I like this too. So if you are a content creator who also suffering from editing like myself, you can give these tools a try. And this is not only creating a video, it also give you transitions and different animates and even overlays. So you can give this a try. This is the trial version. The licensed one is there where you have to remove this watermark, and even the stock footages will have the watermark being removed. So let's look at it and see our result. Actually, this is my second time trying it. So the first video you watch is how I created it. I'm going to use this thing to create something like what we did. So let's watch it and see. This is going to take some time. I know it will take some time. Literally should be around 2-3 minutes. Then we should have our result. Wow. I think we have our results now. Let's see how many minute video is this. So you have if you have a slow internet, you're going to also experience this, like myself. This tool is actually an amazing tool. So you can go over it to reduce the workload of editing and looking for how you can create video. Subscribe to this channel if this content is useful. Subscribe to this channel. Don't also forget to turn on the notification button so that when I will drop a new video, you're going to be able to see it on how we did that video. This is taking long because of internet. Now our video is out. It's around, I think, 3 minutes. So you can play the video now and see. See that? So see that? That is how you can use InVideo AI to create your video with just using a prompt. So now what we're going to do is to export. So 2 things you can do. You either export it to a timeline where you are editing, and also be just able to export and download. So these are some of the cool features of it. This watermark can be removed when you paid for the actual version. This is the free version. So just giving this a test. So you can now export your video. If you come here, this prompt will come. If you want a video in 1080p, 4K, and what have you, you must upgrade to a paid version. And since this is not a paid version, we're going to use 720 and shows the watermark, and it should be a normal video. So it will change. But if you want 1080p or no watermark, this, you have to upgrade. So let's see, you have to upgrade. So if you upgrade, it will take you here. You have a monthly plan of 25 USD, and you have all of these things. You have 100 gig storage. That means it's a cloud storage. You have 40 stock video here, and you up to 1 user. And you also have 60 exports per month. And you have 50 minutes of AI generation. So this simply means with this package, you can get up to 60 video per month, and most of the videos will be around 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, but you'll get up to 50 minutes of the AI generation. So you also see here for max, and this is the plus, so you can decide that. So now let's export our video. So we'll come back here, here, and here. Click on this. Just give it a few time. You'll see your video. So if you look here, this is the first video, the enchanted forest, and now we are doing the second one. This will take time to generate because of the internet speed and what have you. So let me show you some cool feature here also. You can also share from here, but when it is not being exported, we can download, as you can see below here. So we have to wait for it. I not expected this video to be that long, but we have to look at it. We're trying this too. So now that we have our footage being set for download, so just click on download and you watch up anytime. You're going to see it kick up for download. So it is not downloading. As you can see up here, our video is being downloaded already. So this is how your video will look. This is an heartbreaking village, a typical heartbreaking village, I think. So that is how you can use InVideo to create your content and just download it, and you can just upload it to whatever platform, Facebook, YouTube, Instagrams, and what have you. So thanks for watching. If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the bell button and also subscribe. See you in our next video.